Hello, welcome to a new video of Kitchen Sir Barbecue, and today we are cooking on the kamado pizza tonno. Follow me. And of course, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Step 1, making the dough, putting all together, water, dry yeast, olive oil, salt and sugar. The ingredients will be in the description down below. Now mix it all up. There we go. Now let's wrap it with some plastic foil and now let it rest for 90 minutes. For our pizza tonight, we are going for the full wood fire inside our kamado. This will give it the real original taste of pizza. The dough is ready. Let's get them into a pizza. So the fire is nice and hot. Let's get the heat deflector in. There we go. Grill on top. And now the pizza stone. And let this heat up with my heat deflector in. This is how my top vent is. And this is how my bottom vent is. Now let's get the pizza in. So the pizza is in there for about a minute. Let's turn this around very gently so we don't get a burnt pizza. There we go. Now we close it back up and continue for another minute. Yet another minute. Let's have a look. Oh, I think it's almost done. Wow, look at this. Let's check the bottom. Oh, it looks perfect. It looks perfect to me. Let's get this one off and have a try. Let's try it. See you guys.